A very good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise of a view of a cat. So last class we learned about the pet cat of the poet, and it was really interesting, right? So today we will look into the exercise of the same. So children, kindly take page number 32 and let's see the first exercise. It's in pairs write T for true and F for false for these sentences. So it's very easy. Let us read the first sentence. The cat sleeps in its own bed. So is it true or false? You can try doing it. If it's true, write T. If it's false, then write F. So the correct answer for the first sentence will be, it's a false statement. Why it's false? Because the cat sleeps on poet's bed. Let's see the second one. The cat licks the poet if it's not happy with the food. Is it true or false? The correct answer is, it's a false statement. So you have to write F in the blank. Now let's see the third one. The cat stares at the fireplace. Is it true or false? The correct answer is, it's false. Fourth one. The cat sharpens its claws on a scratch post. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true, right? The cat always sharpens its claws on the scratch post. Now, let's see the fifth one. The cat thinks it's very cute, and it's a true statement. So you have to write T in the blank. Sixth one. The cat strokes the poet's head, closes its eyes and purrs. Is it a true or false statement? It's false, right? Why it's false? Because the cat doesn't strokes the poet's head. It's a poet who strokes the cat's head. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is answer these questions. So let's see the first question. Where does the cat sleep? The cat sleeps on the poet's bed. Next question. Why does it walk around? It walks around sniffing at its food bowl to see if there is anything good in it. Let's see the third question. Why does the cat stare at the poet? The cat stares at the poet if there is nothing good in the food bowl. Let's see the fourth one. Where does the cat warm itself? The cat warms itself by the fireplace. Let's see the last question. That's what does it pounce upon? It pounces upon the scratch post. Now let's see the next exercise, which is animal movements. So children, what we need to do here? We have to complete the crossword on animal movement words. The answers are hidden in the jumbled words given at the end of the clues. So you can see in this crossword they have already given us the clues. You can see in the brackets, but it's jumbled up. So we have to write in a correct way. We have to arrange it and write the correct word. Now children, what you need to do is you can pause the video and you can go through each sentences across, under the across, and try to write the answers for it. We will discuss once you are done with it. So I hope you have done it. Let's discuss and let's see the correct answers for the same. Now for across, a duck walks with short steps, swaying from side to side. Now the first answer for across, the second one, the correct answer for that is waddle. Okay. So you can write it in the crossword. Second one, W-A-D-D-L-E. The correct word is waddle. Now let's see the fourth one. A crocodile moves forward with its body close to the ground. So, what is the correct answer for this? It's crawl. So, you can write in the crossword fourth one, crawl, C-R-A-W-L. Let's see the seventh one. A mouse moves quickly with small light steps. So, what is the answer for that? Is scamper. So, you can write in the crossword at the same time, seventh one, scamper. Now, eighth one, a butterfly moves lightly and swiftly. What is the correct answer for that? It's flit. Okay. Let's see the 10th one. A hyena moves quietly looking for prey. So, the correct answer for that is prowl. 11th one. A horse jumps and moves forward quickly. So, the correct answer for that movement is gallop. Okay. So, I hope you have written it. Now, let us see the next one, down. You can pause the video and you can try finding the correct answers for the same. Once you are back, we will discuss the correct answers for it. So, I hope children you have done it. Let us discuss and see the correct answers. Here, the first answer, a cow moves about aimlessly. So, the correct answer is wander. So, next one, third one, a toad jumps into the air to a great height. So, the answer would be leap. A bear moves heavily, especially because of its great weight. So, the correct answer would be lumber. A snake slides over a surface. The correct answer would be slither. Okay, the answer is slither. A rooster walks confidently. The correct answer for that would be strut. The last one, an eagle flies downwards to grab its prey. The correct answer would be swoop. So, I hope children you have done it, have you noted down correctly in the crossword. So, now let us move on to the next exercise. Find any 6 animal sound words in the word grid. So, you can see a word grid, you have to find 6 animal sound from this. So, children you can pause the video, you can try to find the 6 words from it, okay? And once you are back, we will discuss the answer. So, hope you have done it. Now, let us see the answer for the same. Okay, the 6 animal sound words, they are, first one is squeal. You can see in your word grid, the first column itself across squeal. Second one, buzz, which is next to squeal. You can find it, you can circle that in the word grid. The third one is neigh. You can find in the third column across. Now, fourth one, grunt. Again you can find it below the neigh. That is again across, towards across, not down, across. Fifth one is squeak. You can find again below the grunt word, squeak, across. Towards the across in the word grid you can find squeak, word squeak. The last one is meow, which you can easily find in the second last column. Okay, so circle that. So, these are the 6 animal sounds. So, now let us move on to the next page, page number 34. It is a writing part. A view of a cat is a shape poem. So, it is about a cat and written in the shape of a cat, right? We have seen that. So, now you have to do one thing, children. Write a shape poem about your favorite animal. It might be a cat or a dog, maybe a bird or anything. So, you can write a poem, try writing a poem about your favorite animal in that shape. Likewise, you saw in the cat, right? A view of a cat you saw, the the same way you have to write. So you do one thing children, you do this as a homework. You have to write a poem in the shape of your favorite animal. So you can use these hints given below and you can do it accordingly. Okay, so do it as a homework in your English notebook and do send it to us. Now let's see an activity for the day, that let's make some animals using play dough. So now for that what we need is, in a bowl put 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup salt and a spoon of turmeric. Now add a little warm water and mix it well with your hands. Okay. If you are not able to do it, tell your parent to help. Your play dough is ready now. So what you can now break it, you can break the dough and you can make a shape of your favorite animal. Anything, might be a cat or dog, elephant or a bird, anything. So you can do like that, and you have to leave your animal to dry in the sun. Once made, you keep it in the sun to dry, to make it dry, and then paint it. You can use different colors and you can paint it, or same color you can use as how the dog looks, any color which you like, you do it, and accordingly you do take a picture of it and do send it to us to our WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is an activity for the day, the one activity for today. And now the next is, the last is, you have to find new words from the poem whichever you have come across. Write it in your word bank notebook and try to find the meaning for it and write it down in your notebook. Maintain it. Okay. So children, by this we are ending our poem and we will meet up in the next class. So till then, bye.